Hey there, just wanted to give you a quick update on your key fob. Basically, the process was we wanted to remove, this is from your old key, this is the one from the new one. Essentially, the easiest way would be to take this, put it in here, and kind of move forward from there. However, as you can see, it's not sitting right. So it's not sitting in the gasket we want it to sit in. So anyways, what we've decided to do is remove the pin. We remove the pin from there, remove the pin from here, and then these come out. And then we just switch them. So when we try that, this is the new one that came with this, so we know it's gonna move well. However, this won't fit in. So we have two challenges in which we can sort of try and figure it out, either get the existing or the old one to work properly in here, or somehow shim some of this down so it fits properly inside here. Anyways, just wanted to give you an update. Thanks.